Good afternoon, friends. I just want to show you my bananas I just harvested. Again, this variety is called ice cream or vanilla ice cream or something like that. I just cut them up right now. I already tried one. Kind of small, but it's good. Good bunch. They remind me of the small bananas that they sell at the grocery store, with the little hints of vanilla. So I think that's where it gets the name, ice cream bananas. Okay, friends, just want to show you that you can produce bananas in Central California